Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QUIK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows just yesterday, and now you look at where the price closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made some good, solid progress on the bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at the $1.13 mark. Why is the $1.13 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power. So if a bounce is a true bounce, well, it's going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying that. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.13. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, comes down here, so you have this little, area formed, and then the price goes sideways and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have even after that blue box was formed? Well, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have a set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game, progress. In this case, quote unquote, progress being defined as $1.13. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. It's all about that purple line up there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So if this move continues on upwards, that'll be the next key battleground to focus on next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. Everybody have a great Memorial Day weekend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.